Shaun Blackwood, coach, assistant coach, Tacius in high school.
All right, Shaun, a tough game you guys play against Central today. What you would say about the team performance today?
It wasn't a good performance. To be frank, it wasn't a good performance. And I think basically this season, a lot of new guys, none of the guys have this experience. So I think experience still a lot, and experience outdone we this season. But hopefully next season we can carry on. With the losses, we got one draw on our belt. Hopefully the next 2 matches we can come out and make our school and community proud and carry on into the next season.
Some tough games you have played so far. Going to the next season, because you guys probably start preparing for next season already. What do you think you take away from this season going to next season?
Yeah, there are a lot of positives here, because first and foremost the guys are very young. We have a very young squad, averaging 16, 17 years old. And it's an under-19 competition, so we'll have to move on from here, as I tell you. The experience took a toll on the guys, and we'll try and work on that. And hopefully the experience they got on these losses for this season can carry it into next season and do something positive.
All right, coach, and well done again. Yeah?